Welcome to the future of education. Here at Cisco, we've pioneered technologies that help enable students to learn and collaborate on any device, anywhere, anytime. Plus, we're opening up a world of opportunities by securely connecting students, experts, and peers globally. So what about educators and researchers? Yeah, they're getting a digital upgrade too. Now they can collaborate, innovate, and research with others through a highly secure platform, regardless of their location. And the digital transformation doesn't stop there. From connected vehicles to digitized facilities management, we're completely reimagining today's campuses. Cisco also safeguards students and their data. The future of education is here, and it's possible with Cisco and our ecosystem of partners. So what are you waiting for? Let us transform your school or university with a comprehensive digital strategy built on our education platform. Yeah, it's that simple.